Hello guys, welcome to lecture 15. In this lecture we are going to discuss about Angular forms. Forms are nothing but user data entry forms. We can capture the inputs from the users and we will throw back to the database with the help of business logic. Okay, so forms are the main building blocks of any application. We use forms for login, registration, submitting, help request. So whatever forms we are developing, the forms must be user friendly. Okay, so Angular provides two approaches for developing forms, so which are template driven approach and reactive forms approach. Okay, template driven forms and reactive forms. So both captures user input events from the view, validate the user inputs, create a form model and data model to update and provide a way to track changes. So both will do the same job. That will capture the user inputs and builds a from model and data model to update other things. Okay, reactive and template driven form process and manage form data differently. So both captures the user inputs, but there are different ways to different approaches. Okay, each offers different advantages. So when we are reactive forms are robust, they are more scalable, reusable, and testable. That means, so whatever the things we are, if you want to develop any forms, what we will do is we will create a model class and we will provide an object for form controls, and that form controls is attached to the forms. Okay, so if the code is in TypeScript file, what we will do is we will can easily perform the unit testing, right, without going to the UI. So that's the thing. And if forms are a key part of your application, or you are already using reactive patterns for building your application, use reactive forms. Okay, so if you are already using reactive forms, better you go with reactive forms. Template driven forms. Template driven forms are useful for adding a simple form to an app, such as an email list signing up form. They are easy to add to an app, but they don't scale as well as reactive forms. So just for small piece of forms, if you want to develop, then you go for template driven forms. If you have very basic form requirement and logic that can be managed solely in the template, use template driven forms. If you want to manage any logics in the templates, uh, then we will go for the template driven forms. So these are the two approaches in Angular forms: template driven forms and reactive forms. So in coming videos we will discuss about these things. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.